Here I've got myPhone Fan 8 and let me show you all secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let me start with the first code, which is *##, 4636, ###. And as you can see now we are in testing mode, it's performed by Google, and here you can check phone info, details, user statistics and Wi-Fi information. So let me check the phone info at first, and here you can read email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, data network type. You can also perform a ping test here, just click on run ping test, and as you can see here you've got the solution. So this is it, that would be all for this phone info. Let's go back. And now under user statistics, you can check all your apps. So if you'd like to check the last time used or users time, it's right here. So let's go back and let's go back to this code. And the last option here is Wi-Fi info, so just click here, and now you can read Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration or Wi-Fi status. Let me show you Wi-Fi status, for example, just refresh it, and here you can check the current status of your network. You can also perform a ping test here. To do it, just tap on run ping test, and here you've got the details. So that would be all for the first code. Let me go back. And it's time for the second code, which is *##, 426, *##. And now we are in diagnostic mode. Here you can read events and also you can check status. If you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon, select advanced view, and here you've got it. So this is it, that will be all for this one. The third code is *##, 225, 5 it is, not 8, #**. And here you've got calendar info, so if you are logged in with your Google account and if you have any data included in your device's internal storage calendar, then all upcoming events will be included here. So from now on you will not forget about any important date, celebration, anniversary, anything. Just enter this code and then be prepared for tomorrow. And the last code, the shortest one, is *##, 06#. And this one will show you your email number, so the unique number that is assigned to your myPhone Fan 8. Click on OK to go back, and actually this is all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your device. Enjoy and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.